Hello friends, in this video we will learn that how can we create a color animation in CSS. So firstly, let's type the coding of a div here like this, and we can give here any ID or any class to it, like ID will be div. Now let's type the coding of style tag. And now inside style tag we can type a hash div and now let's give some styles to the div, like width 100 pixel, height will be 100 pixel, means same height and same. Then I will give her background color red, and then you have to give here animation name, so type here animation dash name. You can type the name of your choice here, like example. I can type here example, and then after typing the animation name you have to choose the animation duration. So let's type here animation dash duration, and I can give here 4-second duration, so type here 4 then S for second, and now type here closing bracket, and then here you have to type @ keyframes for the animation, and then you have to type here that after typing @keyframes you have to type the name of your animation. So here I have given example in animation name, so I will type here example then bracket. Now I want that the div which I have, first the div have background color red, and then I want the color changes into yellow. So here we have to type from background color red I want, then from background color, then close the bracket, and then type here 2 and then bracket one more time, and then type here background color one more time, type here the color in which you want to change the red color. So like I can give here yellow. Okay. Now here's all the coding we have done. Okay, now here's the div tag which is the animation element, and the styles of div tag is width, height and background color red, and then there is animation name example, animation duration 4 seconds, @keyframes example. Here's example because the name of animation is example, and then from background color red, here's also red, that's why I type here from background color red I want to background color yellow. And you can also give that how many times you want to repeat your animation. So for repeating the animation you have to type here animation iteration count, this one, see like this. And now here you have to type the number how many times you want to repeat the animation, like I can give her 5 times. and here's the duration, so I can change it into 2 seconds. Now let's see the output. See, here's our square, and you can see how it is changing into red to yellow, and it will do the same 5 times, do the same thing 5 times, because we have give animation iteration count 5 times with duration 2 seconds. That's why it is going really fast. So I can give it 5 seconds. Now you can see how it is changing into how the color red is changing into yellow. See. And one animation takes 5 seconds, so if we multiply 5 into 5, then it will take 25 seconds. So now it is stopped. And there is one more thing, like if you want the color of rectangle square first red, then yellow, then blue, then green. So you can do this also. So let me create here one more div. Let me copy it and paste it over here. Now I will the ID will be di. Now copy all this coding and paste it over here. Here will be di, and here all things will be same. I can change duration into 4 seconds, iteration count into 3 seconds. Now let's change the animation name. I can give here SC. S means so. Let me type here M also. So SMC means so many colors. Here also SMC. Okay. Now let's remove this. So here, firstly, let's type here 0% for the animation, and then drag it, and then type the first color, background color. I will type here red. Then after 0% I can type here 25%, then drag it, then background color, and here I can give yellow. Here's a little change. Then I can give him 50% background color, this one, and I can give here yellow green, or you can give here any other color like blue. So let me choose okay. Now I will choose here something this color and over here. Okay. Then let's give here 100% background color. I can give here yellow green this time, red, yellow, blue, and then green. Now let's open the live server. See, here are 2 squares. Zoom in. This is the square which we. Now let me refresh it. Now see this animation. First it is red color, then yellow color, then blue color, then green color, yellow green color, which we give over here. So like this, you can do this two color animations using CSS. So friends, our today's all topic are finished. Thanks for watching. Bye bye friends.